Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to do our script operation in which we are going to write a program that takes the roll number, first name, last name and prints the same record in ascending order on the basis of roll number. So we are going to use array of structure here. We are going to start the records on the basis of roll number. Okay, for that we need structure. So we will declare structure before int main. So for that we will write here struct and the name of structure I will write student. Okay, now in here we need roll number. So for roll number we will declare our variable int roll, and for first name we will declare a character name and its size I will keep 10. And for last name, so I will, okay, let's write here f name and here l name and its size also I write here 10. Okay, now we will declare the variable inside the int main. So for that we will write struct and our data type is student, struct is student, and we will declare here array. Suppose array of A50. And then we also need some temporary variable of the same structure. So I will write here temp also for accessing. Okay, now we need some integer type variables, I for the loop, n for number of arrays, and j also for the loop. I think it will be enough now. So now let's print the message to the user. Enter the size of array. Scanf, we will store it in ampersand n. Okay, so now it's time for asking the user for the records. So for that we will first run a for loop for equals to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, inside this for loop, for that let's printf /n. Okay, enter roll number will write enter roll number. And we will scan it in percentage and keep in the address of ai dot roll number. Array of structure is student. Student is the data type and A50 is the array. If you don't know the working principle of this structure, you can comment down below. I will make the video actually how it works. Okay, working principle of a structure. Again we have to print to enter the first name. Printf enter the first name. We will scan it in %s in a I dot f name. So in string there will not be any ampersand. In integer, in float type we should write ampersand here address, but in string we should not write any address here. Okay, I hope you know that. Now the l name also printf /n enter the last name and we will scan it in %s. Again it's string, so we do not need any ampersand. ai dot l name, and we will also just print here some message again, printf /n, and like this it is to be more easier for user to input more records. Okay, up to here we have input the name details of students. Now it's time to sort them in ascending order as per their roll number. So for that we will do for loop. For I equals to 0, I is less than n minus 1. So if you don't know how to sort the integer numbers, because roll number is integer, right? So if you don't know how to sort integers, you can watch the video by clicking on this I button above. So I have fully explained how we can sort integers. Okay, so inside this for loop we will declare another for loop, j equals to I plus 1. That will be I plus 1. J is less than n and j plus plus. So inside this for loop we will check that if ai dot roll number is greater than aj dot roll number, we are going to sort according to the roll number, right? So we have to check the roll number and sort according to it. So for that we will check the roll number only, dot roll number dot roll number. So if ai dot roll number is greater than aj dot roll number, then we have to swipe these two details. So for that we will just write temp equals to ai, because see what is temp and what is ai. When you do this, the whole details of ai will be copied to temp, because temp is also a variable. Temp is also a structure variable. Yes, it also contains the space like roll number, f name and l name, and ai also contains roll number, f name, l name. So if you write here temp equals to ai, that means a0 first, so the contents of a0 will be copied to temp variable. This whole content, int roll, f name and l name, whole will be copied to temp. So this is the working principle of its structure. Other all is same. Okay, now next we will write here ai equals to aj and aj equals to 10. Aj equals to 10. So by doing this, we have sorted the details as per the roll numbers. So now it's trying to display the message to the user. So we will just print a message first. Printf session the sorted records are, yes, and now we will print. So for you we will use for loop, I equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, in here we will just make a format first. Okay, before this we will make a format. We will print a message and we will write here roll number and /t and first name, suppose f name /t and l name. Okay, this much. And inside this for loop we will printf /n and we'll write here %d, because we are going to print roll number, f and l name serially. So for that, first we will write here %d, because roll number is type %d, so /t and again %t and %s. Okay, and here comma we will write here variable address. So ai dot, first we'll write display roll number, and second ai dot f name, and third is ai dot l name. Okay, so after doing this we have printed the message on the screen in the sorted form. Okay, now let's check whether it is error or not. For that, let's compile and run. Let's save it. I'll give 103 and here is no error. So let's check whether there is any logical error or not. For that, so in the size of array we will enter 5 arrays into roll number. So with roll number 5 we will give the messages in descending order so that it will sort in ascending order. Let's do 5 first. So 5.
First name I will write Ram. Second name I will write Karta. It is roll number 2 now. Roll number 4. First name I will write Sen. Last name is right. Roll number 3. First name is Hari. Karta. Roll number is 2. Gita. Right. But roll number is 1. Lisa.
Next, and cost is Karki. Okay, now you can see here the sorted records are. It is printed and it is format like roll number, F name, and L name. It is a bit far here, right? So you can just remove 1/t and it will come in the same right place here. And it is roll number 1, Vishal Karki, roll number 2, Gita Rai, roll number 3, Hari Kharka, roll number 4, Sam Rai, and 5, Ram Kharka. So you can see here we have entered the numbers, entered the details in descending order, but here it is printed in ascending order. So our program is successful. So you can just modify this layout by removing 1/t over here. It will come in the same place here right now. Let's do it also. So just remove here 1/t. Here are double slash t's over here. Okay, remove 1/t from here and from here also. So this program will run now. It will be in proper format. So hope you enjoyed. You wanna hack YouTube algorithm? You can hack it in just one tap. Follow me. Can you see red color subscribe button below this video? Tap in it. Wow, you have cracked YouTube algorithm for this channel. Now all the upcoming videos uploaded in this channel will come to you first. Okay, now let's celebrate it by hitting the bell icon too. Okay guys, keep cracking algorithms. See you in next video.